Welcome out here to Pioneer Farms, and we're going to talk about the next series of videos that we're going to look into making. One of the common questions I get is, as a blacksmith, what kind of stuff do you make? One of the areas that I find a lot of joy is making campfire equipment. So we'll do a whole series of videos. We might intersperse some other things in there, but we'll take a look at kind of everything you need in order to cook outdoors. So we'll start by making a flint and steel striker so that we can actually start a fire with our steel. We'll talk about how to make char cloth, how to build a fire. We'll take a look at making a fire poker so that we can maintain our fire. We'll look at building this kind of campfire tripod. You can set this up either as a tripod or in kind of a spit configuration for it. We'll look at a couple different ways to hang things off of there, S-hooks, hooks and things like that. We'll also look at making a lovely trammel hook so that we've got an adjustable hook here. And we'll take a look at making some other things like spoons, trivets. I've never made a frying pan or a pot, and I've always kind of wanted to, so we'll use this series as an excuse to go practice some of those skills and make those. If there's anything specifically that you'd really like to see us work on first, or that I haven't talked about that you'd like to see us make, drop a note in the comments and we'll take a look at those. But I imagine that this will be kind of an ongoing series where we make a few things. We may even get some videos in there of us building a fire and cooking some stuff on it. So looking forward to it. Thank you guys very much. And we'll see you out there by the fire.